Everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved this really bronzy winged out makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. To create this look I used the Colourpop Crush Pressed Powder eyeshadow palette. And first I went in to the shade Love, and I picked that up with a fluffy blending brush, and I just put that shade in my crease as my transition shade, just going in back and forth motions and circular motions. And this is pretty much going to be the background shade before I go in with deeper eyeshadows. Next I went in to Cherub, and I just picked that up with a defined angled brush, and I just put that in my crease, pretty much mapping out where I want the darkness in my crease. And I like to use a defined angled brush because I feel like I have more control, and then I always go in with a blending brush to blend it out, and that's what you see me doing here. I just went into that first transition shade and I just went directly over that line, just going in circular motions and back and forth motions just to get the most blended look. And then for my lid I went back into the concealer that we used to prime my eye, and I just cleaned up all over the lid, and then I set it in place with translucent powder. And then for on my lid I went in with the shade Arrow, which is this really beautiful bronzy shade that is very shimmery, and I feel like this shade applied best with my finger, like the warmth of my finger, but I did use a brush to get the sharpness around the crease area. And for lashes I went in with my Sofie lashes. Unfortunately they are discontinued. And then going back into that first shade that we applied, I just put that on my lower lash line. And then going into that deeper brown shade, I mainly focused it on the outer corner just to give it a little bit more dimension. And then I went back into that first shade that we applied in our crease just to make sure that everything is blended. And the very last thing that I did was I applied some mascara to my lower lash line. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!